a decision is to be taken whether this period is to be treated as spent on duty or not. Allowance is payable always, but provident fund dues.
What is a service jurisprudence in this regard?
Your service jurisprudence is that the relationship employer-employer does not cease. That is true. But then
And you have suspended, the employer has suspended, preventing him from discharging the duty. Why not it will be treated as spent on duty?
That your lordship will.
No.
But then the question is,
when?
The question is.
After yes, after vacation, madam.
Grateful, Lordship, grateful, Lordship.
This matter has come up by way of an assignment from the Office of the Honorable Chief Justice. Stop. Let this matter be listed.
Your lordship may decide that is allow it.
That is what is my usual practice is. If I find a question of law involved, then unnecessarily paper book and all everything, it's better to dispose of the appeal itself.
Hearing is waste of time.
Yes.
Item number 3.
Grateful, Lordship.
Now,
You are for the respondents, Miller.
it's not.
That's it. Easily.
What's your?
Assign.
What's your?
Assign code to release code is and
Oh, this matter has come up to us.
perhaps it has been assigned because the
No,
honor
not assigned. It is a Panchayat matter.
Yes,
is appointment of a Panchayat Karma.
Yes.
But it is
so,
appear before the chief.
Lago, the matter has wrongly been listed before us.
Good 5 appeal.
To stop.
Respondent number 2, Union of India.
What is this matter?
Well, the issue involved in this matter is whether executive instructions issued by the Ministry of Finance of Union of India is binding on public sector companies which have a separate board and public shareholding. And my lord, the second issue is if they are binding, whether
This section 5 is allowed or not allowed?
25 days delay.
Not allowed.
Not
Let
allowed.
it appear next week. Same. This matter has come up by an assignment from the Office of the Honorable Chief. Assigned.
And there is a section 5 and
See where it is assigned. Same section 5 is there.
yes.
Same order. Earlier one. Section 5. Next week.
You also put in next week.
Section 5. Yes, next week.
6. I am appearing on behalf of the writ petitioner, respondent number 1.
I am appearing on behalf of the appellant, my lord. Why it is assigned by my lord?
Let us see. This is pertaining to which group?
My lord, group two.
Group two?
Yes.
The matter
Then
relates
why
to
it is assigned?
benefit, 10 years cash benefit.
Whatever, then what is the, why it has been assigned?
I do not
No,
know,
I
my
don't.
lord, accidentally the matter appeared, my lord, I do not know why it is assigned, my lord.
It is not an assigned matter.
In the list, it is
assigned
part
matter.
of it.
It is marked in the list.
Assigned হয়নি তার মানে দেখো Section 5 is to be allowed.
Yes. Yes, my lord.
देखो, the matter is listed today at the instance of the department. It appears that the appeal has been sorry. I was looking at 7.
No, I am for the state respondents.
Henceforth, we are not then deciding the whole matter now.
Yes.
Now is a very short time before the vacation. So only I just wanted to see whether there is any possibility of any interim order to be passed. Oh, that interim order cannot be granted. Recommendation at this stage of appeal.
I tell you.
Oh.
The teacher, this is the college teacher,
Oh, transfer.
college teacher transfer. matter.
Oh, you wanted that you should be transferred to these 3 schools.
The college.
Colleges.
Whatever. School,
I-
college, same
Yes,
thing.
same.
From
Anyhow,
capital.
one is in a higher category, one is in a lower category. Yes.
I had to travel once.
And show me one judgment that the employee has a right to choose
No, in
the
terms,
place of his.
in terms of transfer rule. I have
That
annexed
you can
that.
identify, these are the colleges I want to be
No, no,
posted there, no other college. Show me one
That
rule.
is- that is not the particular college.
This is what the first paragraph says. So the petitioner made an application for transfer
Yes.
from a said college to any of the following colleges.
Yes.
Then Sri Chaitanya College, Habra.
I tell you.
Then
Lord.
Vijay Krishna Das College, Howrah, and then Guru Das College, Kolkata.
Yeah,
So you have already indicated 3 colleges, not from.
The preference college when that application is being made for.
Is there any counseling
Mala-
system in the transfer
No, the preference.
where one can?
I have to indicate the preferential college. That college, I am not on that the particular college, it is not being given. I am not on that today. I am not asking for that any particular college it should be given. Question is, the prayer for transfer was rejected on the ground, twofold ground. One, the close-minded, the first paragraph, they have said that there was no such provision for transfer rule, although there is a provisions. However, that was not discussed into. Secondly, they said this is the pupil-teacher ratio. Now, your lordships kindly have a look whether this is a mandatory provision or that is being maintained by the pupil-teacher ratio. I said, that is absolutely.
Consider after.
After.
Yes, obviously this cannot be. It has to be heard. The moment he is so vociferous.
No, I was
Committing. So let it be heard.
Malad,
We are not passing
My
any
lord.
interim order.
My lord,
No question of any
no question
interim
of
order.
interim order.
I was appealing to your lordships, that
My lord, nothing.
can it be delegated to the authority to?
No, authority has already decided.
No, your lordships kindly have a look.
My lord, the people's teacher ratio is being considered by the my lord board as also my lord, and under rule 2 of the transfer rules of college my lord transfers, this was my lord done, and my lord, and he's where he's willing to go to 3 colleges, they have the my lord lower ratio, but my lord, if one teacher goes there from this college, one professor, then my lord it will go into 800, 200 something.
One thing.
Therefore, there is nothing in this.
One question,
Lordship, Lordship,
when you are opening your mouth,
please,
whether
Lordship.
in those colleges there is any sanctioned vacant post for this.
My lord, regarding this,
Forget about teacher pupil ratio. Tell me, is there any sanctioned vacant post for this subject?
my lord, according to
Yes.
the rule, my lord,
I am
rule
talking
2,
about, sir, forget about the rule.
my lord,
I am talking about,
there is no question of vacancies, my lord.
tell me straight
My lord,
away.
no man. In that,
The pupil teacher ratio will come only when there is a sanction, because you have to sanction the post in accordance with the teacher pupil ratio. This subject in these three schools,
School are available on
college.
college.
That's all. We just want it.
Oh, lots. Lots. Give me the affidavit, lots.
If he says no vacancy,
my lord,
Lots.
no problem. He says give an affidavit. Affidavit. We will dismiss. There cannot be any question.
my lord, there is one thing, my lord. May I submit, my lord? One submission, my lord.
First thing is, either you are not sure that there is a vacancy,
My lord, because
or you are saying of your own just to see the pulse of the bench.
my lord, is submission. It is not
Sir,
correct, my
put it
lord.
on affidavit.
My
You
lord.
said yes, no vacancy. We are accepting what you are saying is correct. But only put it on affidavits.
My lord,
Let us finish.
my lord, my humble submission before your worship, my lord. Regarding the vacancy position, my lord, it is not for the purpose of transfer, my lord. According to the rules, my lord, in my college, my lord, where he is, my lord,
Sir,
teaching, my lord.
I am again, sir.
My lord, I understand, my lord.
Then
My-
please,
I understand.
please, I am
Lordship.
again saying,
Lordship,
if I accept that there is no sanctioned vacant position in those colleges, the matter stands on a different footing.
lordship,
If you say, yes, there is
my lord,
a vacant sanctioned post,
my lord,
then we have to test
lordship.
the decision of an authority on that basis.
But my learned from junior.
You are talking about a teacher pupil ratio,
But
that
only
we have
lots-
to consider it in this
I have
way.
lots. I filed affidavit lots. Dear lots.
So please be sure.
Affidavit বলে দিও না।
My lord, regarding the, my lord, vacancy position, my lord, where the petitioner is working, my lord, the appellant.
I am not,
Here, my lord, the vacancy
I am
position.
not talking about, sir, the where he is working.
সেটা শোনো না।
কথা বলে গেছে।
একই কথা বলে
What is,
খবরটা নাও না।
what are you doing, sir? Are you not understanding that what is passing through the mind?
My lord,
You have
I
not.
have,
You
my
have
lord.
not. Had you understood, you could not have gone further.
Lots, I understand lots. Here lots of ছেড়ে দাও। I am filed the affidavit.
My lord, I understood
Lordship,
because of
I
that,
follow.
my lord, my submission is that, my
Our
lord, the
submission.
vacancy position here is, my lord, very, my lord, the higher,
The lordship.
my lord, the ratio is here, my lord, 2:, my lord, 1:184, my lord. And where he is wanting to go, my lord, that is 1:11. Yeah, and in one college, it is 1:119, my
We
lord.
will decide. We are deciding it. Yes. Show us the way. Then we are deciding on that position. There is a vacancy, no difficulty. And then let us test whether if it disturbs the teacher pupil ratio,
Lord,
whether
Lord,
you can.
My lord, can come to the, my lord, judgment, my lord. It is
Lord,
clear from the judgment, my lord.
Judgment is under challenge, sir.
Lordship,
That does
Lordship,
not, if
yes,
one
my lord.
judgment has been delivered, that does not mean it is
Lordship, it's
absolutely.
better. I am here, Lordship. Give me direction for the Lordship. ছেড়ে দাও। ছেড়ে দাও, বলো না। বলছি ছেড়ে দাও, Lordship,
No,
filed the
I
Lordship।
am
বার
not on that
বলছো
point.
তুমি।
No, no.
ছেড়ে দাও না। একটা তো বলছি আমি দাঁড়িয়ে করছি তো। আবার তুমি
Should I
বলে
make
যাচ্ছ।
them a wise
My lord,
or kill your the root of the
You will go-
argument? Tell me, we are ready to say that
No,
why
my lord,
we are
I-
asking
my
this
lord,
question.
as per records, my lord,
Again,
I-
I'm
I-
saying, sir,
lordship,
কি করবে? আমি করবো না।
then
তুমি
argue,
করো।
show us rule 2. Let us see how far it can apply. Let us see.
then my lord, pass the order, my lord, as your lordship. keep that much.
What?
My lord, I
You
shall,
have to take a
I shall,
stand.
my lord,
You said there is no vacancy in these three colleges. Please consider.
my lord, regarding, I have, my lord, my submission is that, my lord, this portion of the submission is my wrong, my lord. that
Wrong.
portion, my lord, whether that is there or not, that has not been tested. That has not been asked from
Okay,
the department.
So
Lordship.
if there is a vacancy, no difficulty. If there is a vacancy, no difficulty.
No, I have not said
Ah.
so, man.
Ah.
That if there is a
That means-
vacancy,
That means.
if
so,
there is a vacancy in any college, my lord, then this
I am-
teacher should not
I
be
am
transferred, my
not,
lord.
I am not asking,
Lordship.
please open the shutter of your mind. I am again requesting you.
Lordship.
Our very specific query
Lordship.
is there any sanctioned vacant post in these three colleges?
My lord,
Subject
it is there.
vacancy is there.
Yeah.
If it is
If,
there,
as per their statement.
No, I have
But I have not tested, I have not taken, my lord, any report from that, whether there is a vacancy is there or not. I shall file my opposition, my lord.
why
as
you
usual.
state there is no vacancy at the first?
What is
That means you have made a wrong submission,
Lord-
actually wrong submission before the court.
Lord-
Why not? Why not the court should take a serious note of it that a responsible member of the bar is not supposed to say any facts which to his knowledge is wrong.
My lord, kindly, my lord.
No, sir, then we are taking a very serious note of it. We are taking a serious
Lordship,
note.
I shall.
You said, I think we are live, everybody heard that you said there is no vacancy
No. My land.
in these three colleges.
No, I don't know, Lords.
And then he reacted to it and says that if I can say on affidavit, I have no case at all. So we wanted you to put on affidavits, that's all. What?
What? That is, affidavit should.
Vacancy.
For what affidavit?
Where affidavit, Lordship, here the vacancy, Lordship, here the vacancy or not, Lordship, that Lordship, I am no, thereafter fine. Lordship, as per your Lordship, I have given.
I apologize, my lord. Unconditional. I shall come with.
আচ্ছা হলো বসো ওই
Sir,
বসো।
you are a responsible officer of the court. You are maybe representing one of the litigant, but actually what the court expects from the member of the bar that they will not say anything which is factually incorrect.
Lordship, I take.
The court at times,
No,
many a
my-
times believes the statement made at
Lordship,
the
Lordship,
bar.
I.
So far as the fact is
Yes, yes.
concerned, you should not say anything which is not, you are not sure, or you know that this is wrong, and then you say it is correct.
My lord, it is to be taken.
Unfortunate, sir.
Lordship, it is.
Really unfortunate. Have you dealt with this in your opposition filed before the trial court?
No, my
No,
lord.
nothing.
No.
After
No, no, first.
First,
First time.
Video has gone.
First week, 1 week time, not filed the appeal, no.
My lord, there are three separate colleges, my, three separate colleges.
I believe there
My
is
my lord, kindly, kindly, I tender my unconditional apology.
Please.
Yeah.
there,
Submitted.
there is a college service
is, my lord.
commission.
It
Please
is,
understand when
lord.
the court says
my lord,
there is a college service commission.
lordship,
There is.
lordship.
The service commission has the entire data of the vacancies and everything.
Yes.
Everything is now, the technologies have developed. Everything is uploaded on the webs, on their servers, on their, the computer. It is a matter of click of button, which will show that how many vacancies.
Lordship.
Please embrace the technology, use it,
Lordship.
and please
But in our
erase or
technology,
erode all those conservative mindsets when everything was done manually.
Lordship.
Now we have adopted the technology. It's a faster one, accessible one, and I would say less time consuming.
I said. I said.
My lord, section 5 application is there.
Yes,
Your lordship earlier directed
So,
to file opposition.
they wanted an extension. The counsel for the respondent prays for extension of time to file a Daugar. দেখতে পাচ্ছ কত কি হচ্ছে section 5 how many days delay
111 days,
134 days delay
134 days. Calculation is wrong.
I don't want to say.
there is no application have you
Wrong.
filed
Yes, yes.
now you have filed
Can one.
what you say about the
Regarding law limitation, I am not.
no এই তোমার নিয়ে নাও
Yes,
And I am appearing. Yes.
Out of time, section
Just
5,
9 days.
9 days. What is?
Evidence.
8.
My audio has gone. Please. I am in. I am in. I am in item number 30.
My lord, 18 I appear for the state.
Evidence সার্ভিসটা রেখে দেবেন না এই যে দাদা দাদা এভিডেভিডেন্স সার্ভিস ডিক্টেট করে দিই
Petition.
8. Who is for the appellant?
তাহলে টাইপ করতে
What is the service matter?
তাহলে ইটস আ ট্রান্সফার ম্যাটার
What is the service matter? And your surname does not suggest that you should be there in the service. Why you are doing a service? Are you aware of the Hindi language?
Yes, I understand.
Surname?
Surname, Bapari.
Oh, acha. That I
Not supposed to do service.
wants to be a teacher, wants to be a teacher, already is a teacher.
Should be doing a business. Not a.
Education has now become a business.
Yes. Sir,
Good lords, fine.
yes.
Well, what happened, my lord? The applicant, my lord, appellant is short for transfer. He made a transfer application before Utsus. Before Utsus. What happened, my lord? Since the appellant is otherwise eligible, his application was processed to the school education department and ultimately reached to the school service commission. At the relevant point of time,
This is 9 June 2020,
Page 30 at. It is at page 30.
13.
30. 30.
Oh, there are This is what the service commission wanted to inquire
Yes.
about the vacancy.
about the vacancy.
Then
My lord,
communicated.
it has been whether communicated is that their internal communication. I do not aware of this fact. Subsequently, I made one after another representation before the authority. So just substantiate my claim. My lord, it was continued till
How can
2020.
it be, how can a writ petition be dismissed for the fault of the authority?
No,
I don't know, Dr. Patro,
not fault.
please look at it.
We have
Please look at
simply
it.
asked for the
No, sir. Please look the tenet of the order. Please read it.
Ja.
You look. Okay.
court has not blamed.
So, sir, the court has said that since last 4 years you could not ascertain, and for that reason the writ petition is dismissed. This is not expected, sir. Fault is on your part. 9th January letter, you asked for a vacancy position.
And I have filed writ petition 2022, immediately
You asked for a
thereafter.
vacancy position. Look at that letter at page 30.
Yes, the letter I have seen.
So you wanted to ascertain the vacancy position simply because you could not ascertain since last 4 years. For that, the writ petition. Fault
No,
is on your part.
no.
Where is the fault on his part?
No. It's not a question of the fault of the
Yeah.
commissions or the petitioner.
Actually, it's not.
The court has held that
No,
in the
not.
meantime,
Nothing has been heard.
past you have not.
Now I will record. If your understanding of the language is this, then I am really, I'm sorry. Dr. Pattu, you may be representing litigant, but you should be very fair to the court.
No, I am always very.
So what it appears from this finding? Only because you could not ascertain since last 4 years vacancy position, writ petition dismiss. Can it be?
That the court has passed the order.
Whatever, you should be very fair.
But even.
Whatever, there may be multiple reasons. But those are not reflected in the order.
No.
Then
They were not also submitted, but what I am
That's all.
submitting is even
no.
if the vacancy is there, does not necessarily
that
mean.
let the court decide.
Yes.
That's why I'm saying you may have a multiple grounds, but that is not reflected here. A transfer application was kept in suspended animation for more than
Even though the head of the institute forwarded it, serial number 2, column 1 forwarded, date and time forwarded by HOI. Maybe they have, under what circumstances the head of the institute forwarded, I don't know, but kindly see the remarks column. 3 teaching staff has already been transferred on 10% basis through Utsasri portal. The transfer
Of the application.
This transfer will aggravate the problem of teaching severely. With this, so not only violation of
There is
10% rule,
there is one thing gone through that particular. They can withdraw, make a fresh application.
Yeah.
They will come within that 10% bracket immediately within 5 days or a 10 days or a 15 days.
no, they will not come within the 10% until and unless some other teachers have joined.
No, then there is nothing which is written. That's why I'm asking, drawing your attention to it. I do not find there is any indication of such nature. I do not find. I can give you this. I have got a full compilation.
Yes, I'm also checking. No.
This is the 2015 rule.
No,
The rule subsequently amended 2020.
2021.
Original rule is 50.
Take it. I am giving you. You did not have to. Everything is in your hand. You have given it to us. Everything is given there. No, index is there. Whatever you
Yes,
want.
yes, I've seen it.
Yes.
Page 15. Yes, Rule 6, as it was amended, Sub-Rule 2D, consider the total applications from the school is not more than
10%.
10% of the total teacher strength of the school.
I gave an example, sir. There are 100 teachers in the school. 15 applications were filed for transfer. 15 teachers. Then only as per these rules, 10 applications can go taking into account 10%.
Yes.
10%, 100, 10% is 10. Now 10 has got. 5 not processed.
Yes.
Immediately these 5, within a span of 15 days, again 5.
But my total teacher strength was 100.
Oh,
That has to be
I'm
reimbursed.
again, sir, saying.
I will not now count it as
Now,
vanity.
no, the difficulty, what I understand where you're heading, I'm just giving
সিক্স কুচুবি না না ঠিক আছে জজ সাহেব দিয়েছেন
চলো জজের কপিটা দিয়ে দাও
ঠিক আছে একটু ভালো করে পড়ে নি I carry, but today the wrong sentence.
Say that what that rule says. Very, very comprehensive, very exhaustive rule. I do not find any kind of an ambiguity in this regard. The procedures. You ought to assess.
I wanted to come back.
Appearing and you will not carry it.
I'm grateful your lordships have given me your lords this.
You should.
For the state.
You should. You should. When I was on there, our seniors, he knows very well. I do not remember what fashion we used to give. Those days are
হ্যাঁ এটাতেই
the repetition. By
Yes.
Yes.
Very well, I'm grateful.
You are arguing in this branch of law. Chatterjee,
My lord, kindly give me 10 minutes. I'll call him.
you are
Advocate Devashish Shah. I'm being led by him.
Chatterjee, who is he?
I'll take instructions, my lord. Kindly.
Hey. Left. Straight. Begin. Let this matter be listed after the trade for withdrawal of the matter of the appeal.
Actually, my lord, this is against the interim order. Main writ petition is pending. Become an
My lord, Advocate Deepika Banu is the advocate on record for the appellants. And I'm being led by Mr. Devashish Shah. He's in another court, court number 14. He's on. She's not here today, my lord.
After vacation. That's all. Next.
Your Lordship, praying for an adjournment as some instructions is need to.
There's only one respondent.
My lord, the writ petitioner I have served.
Why not the other?
The other side is, my lord, the supporting respondents to the state, my lord. 120 days delay.
Yes.
Appellant still because
Yes.
304.
Yes. Where is the report?
My lord,
Where is the decision?
my lord, they appeared, my lord.
Yes.
They appeared, my lord.
I have seen the order
Yes.
dated 19/8.
Lordship. My lord, my lord, this is a report for me, your lordship. This is not.
There is the secretary WPPSC.
Yes.
My lord, after your lordship passed the order, the secretary called all the parties for hearing.
Secretary of
West Bengal Board of Secondary Education.
where is the decision?
No, the decision has, why, my lord, the decision will be taken today and it will be communicated to all of them.
The order, madam, the order says, let the decision of the secretary of the WBBSE be submitted within 3 weeks from date.
Lordship, my lord, why the decision, final decision could not be taken, your lordship? May I submit, your lordship? They were called for hearing on 29th August. All of them appeared, and your lordship, the school authority was directed to submit documents which they did not submit on that day in the hearing. Thereafter, my lord, again the hearing was held on 6th September, second hearing. That day, the school authority appeared, the petitioner through his learned advocate appeared. And well, on that day, the school authorities, they submitted the documents of 627 days unauthorized absence. That was the main.
I do not want, madam, I want a decision to be given to us.
Lordship, because the documents were, after the documents were submitted by the school authority on 13th September.
You say that on 6th September.
Well, yes, they submitted that they came with all the original registered.
Just, madam, that what you have done, have you taken a decision?
Decision, Malak, today the decision will be, final decision will be taken after receiving, because the authenticated.
You have received everything.
No, Malak, why not, Malak? May I submit? That is the reason I want to submit, your lordship. On they came with all huge number of attendant registers, because of this 627 days absence was not at a stretch. It was divided in different years. So, Malak, they came with the documents. Then they were asked to submit the relevant portion of the documents of those attendants registered to the board. So, Malak, they thereafter submitted those documents to the board on 9th September, the school authority, but without any verification, without any stamp, without any signature, without any authentication. So the headmaster was again called to the board to come with the stamp and to verify those documents, whether they are genuine or not. So, my lord, thereafter, my lord, they came to the board, the headmaster, and on 13th he came, 13th September, and he verified all those documents as to be true. So, my lord, today my instruction is, today the secretary will go through the documents, take a final decision, and by tomorrow it will be communicated to the parties. Only 1 week time may be given. I'll file after the final decision taken. সেটা বলতে হয় পর পর না, বলতে পারো শুরুতেই বলে দে না, রেভিনিউ ইজ দ্য সোল অফ রিচ। আমাকে বলতে দাও না, তুমি কেন মাঝখানে খচখচ করছো? জজ সাহেবের তো অন্য মামলা আছে, তুমি চুপ করো, আমার খোঁচাচ্ছি।
It's your privileged communication.
He's big brother too. We belong to same chamber. He's like my big brother. That is the reason he's saying us.
The counsel for the board submits that
in a order.
the decision should be
Only not.
the order of 19th August.
It is house done.
I appeal for the respondent university. My lord, advocate for the appellant, he could not come to court today, my lord, due to his personal difficulty. I am praying for adjournment today, my lord. And I appeal for the respondent university.
I'm for the appellant. Kindly see, my lord, the order
To application.
that section 5 application is there, my lord. was delayed. And Milord, this stay application, Milord, is
Lordship, I'm for the writ petitioner response.
definitely.
Mr. Prashanjit Mukherjee is on his way. Is
Milord, without going to the technicalities, if your Lordship once looks into the memorandum of appeal,
79.
yes,
So
the administration of the school, Milord, has preferred the appeal. If your Lordship looks at the impugned order at a glance, Milord, thereafter, Milord, I shall make my submission.
for
Whether Milord, this kind of,
you are for,
Milord, I am for the school.
I'm talking about appellant or respondent or what?
Milord, respondent number, Milord,
For the
11, 12 and 13.
it's for the appellant.
Milord, I am for the appellant.
Yes, for
Respondent number 11, 12 and 13.
where is the difficulty?
Milord, I may say, Milord, this is a
রিপোর্টটা আছে রিপোর্টটা আছে
আমাকে দিবি না?
Lordship, the report has been supplied to us. The petition.
I do not want whether the report has been filed before the single bench.
Lordship,
Not
after
yet.
that, the writ petition has not been called, but report has been supplied to me. But in the report, that is the gross irregularities.
We do not want to hear there. The single bench is simply directed to submit the report before him.
Yes.
But Milord, in my respectful submission, in a writ petition, when the writ petitioner's prayer in respect to that, she has to be reinstated in the post of teacher in charge. Milord, the court find, Milord, this kind of dispute cannot be adjudicated in a writ court, particularly looking into the administration of the school. Whether, Milord, this robbing inquiry can be done, Milord, without giving any opportunity to the school, Milord, it is kind of an aspersion, Milord. Whether, Milord, this can be done, Milord, without giving opportunity to contest, Milord, by filing an affidavit.
So the issue of the writ petition was limited to the reinstatement of the erstwhile teacher in charge to the post of
28, Your Lordship, in this matter, I beg to appear
I am appearing on behalf of
the appellant petitioner, Your Lordship. The matter pertains with that Madurai Kamraj University matter, as per your Lordship can remember. On the,
Just
now they have given a affidavit. I give a 1 day's time, I will do it tomorrow. I have to go through it.
I said file my lord affidavit and reply. Yesterday I have received. On behalf of the
My arrangement is the co-respondent.
copy to the
কপি দিয়েছি তুমি আপনার হাতেই তো আছে
my lord.
Following 37 years of practice, I am to.
Yesterday I have received my lord.
কি affidavit দেবেন আপনি?
Because allegation my lord 2085, relation is my lord 2009. Public notice already been issued, several public notices.
That is,
I shall
all
reply.
those documents are in their affidavit in opposition. I assure your lordship. Every document is in their affidavit.
You have certain allegation.
But my documents, definitely 85, 95, everything in their affidavit in opposition.
Within 2 weeks, I shall reply to this affidavit. Yesterday, why you have served yesterday?
But I request your lordship, take it up. If your lordship find necessary, give them time.
Direction
I
was
will not
given
stand.
on 29th October, month. Within 1 week. Yesterday, I have received.
I have received in the morning even.
So say so.
So I have said that.
Still he says no difficulty. I will read it today. I will come back to the matter. He has received yesterday. Sorry.
Today.
Today at 10:40.
Received yesterday.
Yesterday, by downloaded copy.
To 10:45 I have received.
Tomorrow I will be read after reading.
It will give reply to this affidavit.
Yeah.
He put me something.
Do that, your lordship.
You know.
I don't.
That. But we cannot record any order.
Your Honor, affidavit has been filed on behalf.
Well, I am leaving to your lordship, my lord, but Anil Gupta, my lord, I am.
Do that, favor that.
Terms of the earlier order. Chamaraj University requires
I am in item number. I am in item number 30.
I'm for the school service portion.
But I'm for the appellant. No. No, this is not with respect to that. But here, my lord, the appellant, my lord, sat for the my lord, selection process for the headmaster, my lord, of the first state level selection. I'm sorry, ma'am. But here, my lord, this was I tell your lordship, my lord, only one point I have. If I can satisfy your lordship, well, otherwise not. My lord, here, my lord, this is the vacancy for headmaster in the Telugu medium school. No, my lord. My lord, I have, my lord, application. I have, my lord, filed the application, which is, my lord, can number 1. Can number 1 of 2024. My lord, I tell your lordship, my lord, altogether, my lord, I filed this application. Perhaps, my lord, that is the reason with the memo of Apple. There was a delay of 55 days, my lord, in my opinion. I have lordship has seen my. Yes, ma'am. The limitation by the Honorable Supreme Court. Yes, ma'am. Subject to correction, but I'm not. But 24th of February, 2022, the order was passed. 24th of February, 2022. And thereafter, my lord, in the month of March, because there was a, my lord, perhaps subject to correction. 9 11. Yes, my lord. 7 days. 8 days. 7 days. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. 11th of April. So I have taken out this application warrant for section 5 also.
Section 5, I am not saying anything.
But
Section 5, I am not saying anything.
will not be taken on the read.
মেমোটা অন্তত জেরক্স করে নাও থ্যাংক ইউ
Okay, I am for the matter applicant number, can applicant file matter as publication of the result matter.
My lord, I am appearing for the university. My lord's audio is not coming, but because of the cramp, my lord, I am there, Ochinto Banerjee, my lord, appearing for the university, my lord. My lord's audio is not coming. Yes, my lord. My lord, for university at the outset, my lord, I tender my apology, but the brief has not been made available to. Again, my lord, audio is not coming. My lord.
Who is for the appellant?
My lord, one of the director of the college, my lord. Yes, my lord. Thing is, my lord will peruse the order dated, my lord, 21st of July 2022 in the matter. The added respondents are, my lord, the students of a college.
Sir, we can't company. You are appearing for whom?
University, my lord.
The university does not appear to be a appellant. University appears to be a respondent.
Yes, my lord.
Constatil.
Raihan, my lord.
File the appeal.
Raihan ul Haq. The appellant is Raihan ul Haq.
Yes. So individual. Where is the appellant? Miss Sumita Shah and Mr. Somin Chatterjee. Where are they?
My lord, earlier Mr. Gupta and Mr. Kishore Dotto appeared, my lord.
I do not know. But last occasion, Miss Sumita Shah and Mr. Somin Chatterjee appeared.
Yes, my lord. Yes. Yes, my lord. That is on. It is illegible. But one thing I am submitting, my lord. If my lords permit.
No. There is no appearance on behalf of the appellant. Let this matter be listed after Puja vacation. Next.
My lord, I file one can application, my lord.
Can application is there.
Can number 3, my lord. The publication of the result, my lord.
Next.
I appear on behalf of the applicant.
Yes.
Then it's better.
What is the interim order you sought for?
No, order of pass for the landlord.
What is can one is the delay? That is yes. Can two
Stay of the operation of the order dated 21st June 2023.
yes.
Directing
Dated June 21, 2023.
Yeah. Not yet.
Yes. What is the nature?
Directing the refund of the amount together with an interest. Excess amount drawn by him. He has given the 3 undertakings without considering the judgment of the Supreme Court. Rafik Masjid was considered. Rafik Musab subsequently was reconsidered.
No, we are concerned with the interim order now. We are not concerned with the main matter.
On a matter was heard at length by your lordships.
Before vacation, there are already
No, what law?
7, 8 CAVs. Not possible. So it's better.
Your lordship was about to dispose of the matter.
Murdered. Murdered.
Pensionary matter. Retired employee, retired long back. Your lordship kindly consider. No. No, due to, but the order has not been complied with on the ground of the pendency of the appeal. No, only not that portion, my lord. In the result, the writ petition merits succeed, the writ petition may be disposed of by passing.
Yes. What the state can all state is whatever the amount will be from the state tax account, it will go to the High Court's account. Nothing more. Right. Whatever the amount will be deposited in the account of the Registrar General. But it is a state fund. No, certainly not. But there is a judgment of Justice Dilip said that in a money degree, when the state file an appeal, they are not said that. Because of yeah. If it is a money degree, in presenting the appeal, application for stay of the
তোমরা করো কি দরকার তোমার স্টেডি কি লাভটা করো সম্মান কর ভারিতে আছে সম্মান কর
না না লজের প্রতি 2 টাকা নেবো না সেই স্টে লিমিটেড করে
কি হবে তোমার স্টে নেই কন্টেম্প পেন্ডিং না কি লাভটা তোমার
বলতো কন্টেম্প প্রসিড করবো না
নাই তো ফাইল করা হয়নি
না আই ডোন্ট প্রসিড উইথ কন্টেম্প
কন্টেম্পে
মনিকা প্রাইভেটেশন অ্যাক্ট মনিকা প্রাইভেটেশন অ্যাক্ট
টাকা জমা দাও তুমি তাহলে আর কি করবে একটা লোক পেনশন পাবে না পেনশনটা দিতে আরম্ভ করো কি লাভ তাহলে সংখ্যা শেষ করে দাও
আমার কোনো আপত্তি ছিল না
শেষ করে দাও বলো মোতা পাস সংখ্যা দিয়ে দেবে করে স্টেট নিয়ে লাভটা কি সামান্য টাকার কি আছে
আচ্ছা 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 হুম Dilip said, sitting in court number 13. It is Justice Committee Park. Hi. Yes.
I know. 3.
But the appeal is there is a degree of payment of money, the applicant shall in such time apply for the allowed project deposit with the appeal and funding such security respect thereof. But it is an appeal. But it is. But it is not order for an appeal. Appeal under clause 15 of the latest appeal. No, it is up to your logic. Yes. Order 41, rule 3. Then which which one will prevail? This one or this one?
করো না কি করবো ফাইনাল করো
I don't have any idea about, but I know that civil side, I should not utter a single sentence. But your lordship,